adjust the height. Also keep an eye on your tuning obviously as well. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is intonation. Now intonation is essentially checking if the guitar's in tune with itself. And it's really just compensating for the additional mass of the string. So if we look at the bridge here, you can see it's on a slant. Just about all electric guitars will have a slanted bridge like this, and that's just to compensate for the additional mass of the bass strings. So if I fret an open E here, I'll just bring the camera around so you can see the tuner. So I fret an open E, get that in tune. If I hit with the same attack at the 12th fret, you can see we're just a little sharp. Not much, just a little. So the way to adjust for that, if your intonation is a little sharp, what we're going to do is move these individual saddles. So this is a little sharp. I'm going to want to turn this counterclockwise and move the saddle back further. If it was flat, I'd want to reduce the scale length of that string, or the vibrating length of that string, and bring it forward. And you do that just using a small screwdriver. Intonation adjustment screws are at the front of the bridge. And I would turn that clockwise, like I said, or to bring it forward, or counterclockwise to sit it further back. Sitting it further back will compensate for a sharper 12th fret note. So as you can see, if I bring the camera back around now, you can see I've overcorrected. So I just need to bring that saddle a little more forward. But that's essentially how you adjust the intonation.